Hey everyone. In this video, we are going to look at how do you integrate your Zoom app with your calendar so you can automatically fetch the meeting IDs from your calendar so that you don't have to remember or copy them manually or write them down somewhere. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. The reason I ask this or I request this is because it helps me understand that people are actually enjoying the videos, they are finding them informational, and it encourages me to create more such videos. So, thanks if you already have subscribed, but if you haven't, please do subscribe. Okay, let's get started. What I've done is I have opened the Zoom app on my laptop. I'm using a MacBook Air, but whatever device you're using, that should work totally fine. Now, once you have opened the Zoom app, make sure you log into your Zoom app. If you haven't already logged in, it should basically just show you somewhere over here an option to log in. You can use sign in with Google or any third party, or you can log in with your username and password. After you log in, click on your picture over here on the top right side and go to My Profile. So once you go to My Profile, it will open the page for you. Okay, it didn't work for me. Let me try again. All right, here it is. Right, so it will ask me to sign in over here as well. I'll sign in with my Google account. Right, so remember this is the same account which I have logged in with over here, right? The account should be same because if it is not same, what you do over here in terms of integrations, they will not be shown on your actual app, on your actual Zoom app. So be careful with that. Right, so once we are here, I'm in the profile tab under personal section. Now down here, I'm going to go and say connect to calendar and contact service, right? So whatever calendars you're using, currently it only supports Exchange, Office 365 and Google. So if you're using Yahoo or some other calendar, you're out of luck right now. But let's go and choose Google because I'm using Google. So I only want to get the calendar events. I don't want to sync my contacts. For privacy reasons, I don't want to allow Zoom to be able to see my contacts. So I'm going to allow only the calendar events. I'm going to choose my Google account. Now over here, I'm choosing the Google account from which I want Zoom to get the calendar events. Now for calendar events, I use a separate Google account. That's why I chose the different one. But it totally depends on you. If you're using the same account, by all means, go and use the same account. Right, that's it. So now, as you can see, for this particular account, I have allowed Zoom to get calendar events, right? So if I go down here, currently it's not showing any upcoming meetings, but let me go and create a meeting on this particular calendar. So here are my meetings. So today, currently it's about 7:46 p.m. in the evening. I'll create a meeting for 8 p.m., which is like 14 minutes from now. So 8 p.m. I'll say trial meeting, and in the location I'm going to add zoom.us/join/some meeting ID. I just randomly chose a meeting ID. Right now, give it a few seconds. It should appear over here. Right, there it goes. So it says a trial meeting starts in 14 minutes and I can directly join up from here. So notice that I chose the Zoom link over here and I automatically set this to particular Zoom link. This is the actual link, but the meeting ID is fake. I just randomly chose numbers from 1 to 0. But over here, it automatically parses that meeting ID and says meeting ID 12345678890, right? So what this allows me to do is I can now directly join a meeting from my app. I don't have to remember the number or click any links. I don't even need to have the calendar open anymore. I can simply close my browser. I have this. What's even awesome is that if you are logged in with the same Google account that you're using to sync your calendar on your Zoom app, um, on whatever devices you're using, this integration will work totally fine. So in fact, if right now I open my Zoom app on my phone or on my tablet and I log in with this particular Google account with which I have this calendar synced, I'll be able to see this exact same meeting over there as well, right? So it works across devices. Just have to sync it once and it just works out of the box. Now let's go ahead and quickly try joining this. So as you can see, this is probably an actual meeting ID. I don't know why. Maybe. Okay. So it's asking me for the meeting password. Someone's meeting. We don't want to bomb their meeting, but I can directly join from here, right? So that's it for this particular video, guys. I hope you found this informational. Let me know in comments what you think about this. And again, please do subscribe to this channel. It helps me understand if you're really finding these videos useful. Thanks again, and have a good day. Bye bye.